Rogue planets. The dark wanderers that could end Earth. What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, there's a planet the size of Jupiter hurtling through space at 30 kilometers per second, completely invisible, heading straight for our solar system? And the most terrifying part? We wouldn't even know it's coming until it's too late. Welcome back to AltCtrlZ, where we uncover the universe's most spine-chilling secrets. Today, we're diving into one of the most horrifying cosmic phenomena that NASA doesn't want you to lose sleep over: rogue planets. Picture this: a planet, possibly larger than Earth, wandering through the infinite darkness of space with no star to call home. No sunlight has touched its surface for millions of years. It's a frozen, dead world, traveling at unimaginable speeds through the cosmic void. These aren't science fiction fantasies. They're real, and they're everywhere. Scientists estimate there could be billions of these rogue planets drifting through our galaxy alone. Some might be just light years away from us, invisible predators lurking in the darkness. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. What happens when one of these cosmic wanderers enters our solar system? The answer to this question will keep you awake at night, and I want you to drop your theory in the comments below. What do you think would happen if a rogue planet invaded our solar system? Let me take you on a journey to understand how these cosmic monsters are created. Rogue planets are born from chaos. When a solar system is young and unstable, gravitational forces can go haywire. Imagine a cosmic game of billiards where planets are the balls, and gravity is the cue stick. Sometimes a planet gets hit so hard by gravitational forces that it's literally kicked out of its home system, sent tumbling into the cold, dark void of space. Some rogue planets might have never belonged to any star system at all. They could have formed alone in the darkness, wandering since the universe was young. These orphan worlds have been traveling for billions of years, and we have no idea where they're going. In 2016, astronomers discovered a rogue planet called PSOJ 318.5-22, floating freely in space just 80 light-years from Earth. This planet is only 12 million years old, practically a baby in cosmic terms, and it's already been expelled from its birth system. Don't forget to subscribe to AltCtrlZ and ring that notification bell, because we're about to reveal something that will change everything you thought you knew about our cosmic neighborhood. Now, here's where the science gets really wild. These rogue planets aren't just cold, dead rocks. Some of them might actually harbor life. How is that possible without a star? The answer lies deep beneath their surfaces. Just like Jupiter's moon Europa, these rogue planets could have subsurface oceans kept liquid by radioactive decay and tidal heating. Entire civilizations could exist in the darkness beneath miles of ice, never even knowing that stars exist above. What do you think is causing these planets to maintain liquid water in the freezing void of space? Let me know in the comments. Here are the facts that will blow your mind. Fact 1. There could be a rogue planet passing through our solar system right now, and we wouldn't know it. These planets emit almost no light and very little heat. They're essentially invisible ghosts wandering through space. The only way we can detect them is through gravitational lensing, when they pass in front of distant stars and bend the light. Fact 2. Some rogue planets travel at speeds of over 30 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to cross the entire United States in just 4 minutes. If one of these speed demons decided to visit our solar system, it would reshape everything we know about orbital mechanics. Fact 3. There might be more rogue planets in our galaxy than there are stars. There are an estimated 100 billion stars in the Milky Way, which means there could be over 100 billion rogue planets wandering in the darkness. Fact 4. Some rogue planets might actually be more habitable than Earth. Without the harmful radiation from a nearby star, and with thick atmospheres to trap heat, these worlds could be perfect sanctuaries for life. Some scientists believe that life might be more common on rogue planets than on planets orbiting stars. Now, let's talk about what happens when one of these cosmic wanderers decides to pay our solar system a visit. Scenario 1. The gravitational chaos. If a rogue planet the size of Mars entered our solar system, it would completely disrupt the delicate gravitational balance that keeps our planets in their orbits. Earth could be thrown into a completely different orbit, either sending us spiraling into the sun or launching us into the frozen outer reaches of space. Scenario 2. The collision course. The chances of a direct collision are small, but not impossible. If a rogue planet collided with Earth, it would make the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs look like a pebble hitting a windshield. We're talking about the complete destruction of our planet. Scenario 3. The new moon. In the best-case scenario, a smaller rogue planet might be captured by our sun's gravity and become a new member of our solar system. This could actually bring new resources and expand our cosmic neighborhood. But here's the chilling part. We're completely defenseless against rogue planets. Our current technology cannot detect them until they're already in our solar system. And by then, it would be too late to stop them. The terrifying truth about rogue planets is that they are out there, billions of them, traveling through the darkness at incredible speeds, and we have no idea where they're going or when one might enter our cosmic backyard. The universe is far stranger and more dangerous than we ever imagined. Every night, when we look up at the stars between those points of light, invisible worlds are wandering, carrying untold secrets and potentially harboring life we cannot even begin to imagine. These cosmic ghosts are reminders of just how little control we truly have in the vast, chaotic universe. Until we develop the ability to detect them earlier and perhaps one day protect ourselves from them, all we can do is learn, explore, and prepare for the unknown. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden dangers lurking in space, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AltCtrlZ, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest discoveries. Rate this theory from 1 to 10. How convinced are you that rogue planets pose a real threat to Earth? Drop your rating in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into cosmic mysteries, check out our previous video about the Great Attractor by clicking the link in the description. Trust me, it will change how you see our galaxy forever. Until next time, keep looking up and remember, the universe is far stranger than we dare to imagine.